How to fix Instagram Reels not uploading on story on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and type here Instagram and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found here an update, just click on it. And now if that doesn't fix your problem, go back and go to settings, scroll all the way down until you find here apps, click on it and then click apps again, type here Instagram, click on it, now click force stop and go to storage, clear cache. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, search for Instagram and click offload. I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.